In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got my daughter's hair from this to this using just one product. Alright, so in true wash day routine style, we are starting out with some old hairstyle on my 3-year-old daughter's head, and I think she's had this hairstyle for about a week or a week and a half. For those of you who are new, this is my daughter. Her name is Nadia. She's 3 years old, and she's actually about to turn 4 years old. Nadia has been a part of this channel and a part of the natural hair journey since she was a baby. One of her earliest wash day routine was actually one of the videos that went viral on my channel, and I think right now that video sits at 10 million views. Nadia was super small and super cute, and her wash days were very different at that time. You will see in this video that Nadia does not like wash days anymore. She cries through the whole thing. The longer and thicker her hair gets, the least she wants to do it. But I have used the same exact routine that I'm going to be showing you in this video since day one. So Nadia has had some rice water wash days. She has also had some aloe vera wash days. And she's also had some regular wash days without any treatments. And today's video is going to be without any treatment. But one of the products that has stayed consistent throughout the years is our homemade aloe vera hair growth oil. And that is what we're going to be using today. I have consistently used this product on my daughter's hair since before it even became a product. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how I use it on her hair. To be honest, y'all, Nadia's hair has gone through a lot throughout the years, but I am so proud of where it is right now. Wait till you see the end of the video. You're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. Her hair has not been falling out. It has actually retained its length because of the product and the processes that I've used over the years. And now my baby is about to turn 4 years old, and for the first time ever, I'm not only going to be blow drying her hair, I'm also going to be flat ironing and trimming her ends. And I'll show you exactly how I do that here as well. Here is something I want to know. If Nadia has been a part of your natural hair routine or a part of your child's natural hair routine, please comment below. As you can see here, Nadia is not happy, y'all. She does not like wash days. And guess what, y'all? She ends up being happy with the final results. Alright, family, so it is finally time to wash her hair. And as you can see, her hair is still twisted up, and I'm using the Aveeno baby shampoo to wash and condition her hair. Alright, so we are done. Nadia is all cleaned up, so let us get to the next step. So this is what Nadia's hair looks like. So I'm going to use our aloe vera oil to not only detangle, but to also moisturize her hair and oil her scalp. So I'm just going to be using the dropper here and pouring it in my hands, rubbing my hands together and rubbing it directly onto her hair and her scalp as I go. And for the first time I'm trying this blow dryer, I'm going to be reviewing this blow dryer for you all, so please stick around for the next video. And that's actually going to be a wash day routine for my hair, and I cannot wait to show you all the progress of my hair. Anyway, so all I'm doing here is using this reverse hair dryer, which is actually a suction machine, to blow dry Nadia's hair. This machine is very easy to use and is very fast at drying the hair, and it doesn't require a lot of heat, so I like that a lot. So all I'm doing here is grabbing little sections of her hair, sucking it into the vacuum dryer, leaving it on for a few seconds, and then pulling it off, and just doing the entire hair the same exact way. Alright, family, so Nadia's hair is all dried up, so let's move on to flat ironing. So all I'm doing here is grabbing little sections of her hair, making sure it is completely detangled, making sure I have the oil and some heat protectant on, and then flat ironing it. So as you can see here, Nadia is doing very well, even though she's not happy, but we're getting there, y'all. I cannot wait to show you all the finished product. Alright, family, so we are done with the flat ironing process. As you can see, Nadia's eyes are all red. She's irritated and she's not happy, y'all. Alright family, so moving on to the clipping part of her hair. We are almost done, y'all, and Nadia is over this. So all I'm doing is grabbing little sections of her hair and just clipping tiny little portions of it. As you can see, her hair is actually not super damaged and is very healthy, so I'm only cutting tiny little portions of it. And this is what clipping is, y'all. You don't have to do a whole haircut. All you have to do is grab little sections and cut out the tiny little split ends. You don't have to cut a lot of the hair off, y'all. A little goes a long way. So I'm just going through here, grabbing tiny little sections, combing it through, and then cutting the ends off. I am so proud of Nadia and I am so proud of her hair. We have come a long way. And just to be able to retain the length and the health of her hair, that makes me super proud, y'all. And the one product, as I said, that has been consistent is our aloe vera hair growth oil. So if you haven't grabbed a bottle, I highly encourage you to grab one. We are fully restocked on our website. Look at my baby's hair, y'all. I am so proud. Oh my God, I am a proud mama. This is the very first time I've applied any kind of heat to her hair. This is not gonna be an everyday thing, but it really felt nice to see what her hair actually looks like when it's not super curly. All right, family, look at your niece's hair. Can you show your hair to your aunties? Here, turn that way. Hold on. There you go. She's ready to get out. So I blow dried her hair yesterday and I twisted it up and it looks so cute. Look at her.
Wow. Oh no.
Oh no, what's wrong?
My face is burning.
Oh no, sorry.
What?
Okay, let's go. Whoa. Look at her hair. Look at her cute little hair. Look, you gonna close the door for mommy? Thank you. Thank you, Nadia. Come on, okay. It's raining.
Yeah, we got the birds. Oh, hey.